Before the sun rises, they're already moving. 10 years into a tradition that refuses to fade. Different lives, different paths. Once a year, they come back. They gather at the port. Loading gear, food, and everything they'll need for the crossing. The process is familiar. The energy is different, because this isn't just another race. This is 10 years of being the category winner and defending the fastest crossing time in the port to pub. Port to pub is a 19.7 kilometre open water swim from Fremantle to Rottnest Island. This year marks 10 years of the event. More competitors than ever before. More boats, more swimmers, more pressure, and one team chasing 10 in a row.
All right, Steam team, take a good hard look at yourselves. When you look at the person to the left of you, person to the right, and remind them, this is your chance for history. 10 years the Port to Pub's been going. We started this competition. Colin might have started it, we made it. Our names, our legacy, this is our day. And I want you to look at Bern, our Spono. He's had hands on all of us over the years, had a big part of all of our careers, and it's a privilege to have him part of our team today. And I want you to do it for Bern. Don't do it for yourself, do it for one another, do it for Bern.
Get the win for Bern, boys.
Steam what?
Steam team!
Steam what?
Steam team!
Steam what?
Steam team!
The race begins on the beach. The first swimmer already in the water, somewhere in the pack. The first challenge is simple. Find him.
Right now?
There, that blue Rashi.
Found him. There. You got it? He's there. Yeah, we got it. Oh, come on now.
From here it becomes rhythm. 45 seconds in the water. A full sprint. A hand slap confirms the changeover. Then straight back to the boat. At the back, Chip works relentlessly, pulling swimmers in with rope and float, every 45 seconds. No pause, no reset. At the helm, the captain threads through traffic, holding position, holding safety, 100% focus, because one mistake ends everything. Out front, Tom leads from the kayak, guiding direction through open water. Nearly 20 kilometres of paddling. Every roll matters, every person counts. This year, Bern joins them in the water. Not a professional swimmer, but a mentor, supporter, sponsor.
Yeah, it's an honour. It's just, I mean, they're all Olympians and national champions and Commonwealth Games champion, and that they let me swim with a team like that. It's embarrassing for me, but I was a highlight of my life.
Hours tick by. Bodies begin to tire. The pace holds. The energy never drops.
We've got all of us boys, we used to swim back for years together, putting the hard hours into, come back here one day a year and all get back together, sort of relive those days when we train, and all this stuff, listening to music on the boat. Our coach used to every Saturday morning have the music pumping, all the boys getting around each other. And I think it sort of takes you back to those times. It's just so good to see all the boys again. We're stacked on between 10 to 20 kilos, so everyone's a little bit heavier. I've got to give it up to Tugger Chip pulling us in. I mean, he's got his work cut out for him, pulling in a tonne every 10 changeovers.
Then Rottnest appears, the finish finally within reach. For the final stretch, everything changes. No rotation, no relay. All in, side by side. 10 years in motion. 4 hours, 11 minutes, 10 swimmers, one result. 10 years undefeated in their category and still holding the fastest crossing time.
There's this connection between us all where we might not see each other every day, but I think when you go through certain things in sport and you get to see people at the highest success and also at the lowest, it develops a connection I can't really explain. And you know, we still chat nearly every day across group chats and whatnot, but the brotherhood's there and we're all very supportive of each other because everyone's obviously gone off and been uber successful now in life outside the sport.
You know, having done it for 10 years in a row, for Burn to have sponsor us, today was really fun. Today was actually quite special. We got to enjoy the swim, we got to have a good time on the boat. You know, we got to sort of talk about, you know, times, you know, when I was just catching up with some of the guys that are from Brisbane and Sydney, and we were just having general chats as we're going along the way. So, no, it's a special day, it really is.
It's a tradition now. The tradition is to get to the island, have a beer, the first chance you get, and, you know, why wouldn't we continue? And I think it'll probably get less important to win as we get older. It's already getting harder to do. But yeah, I think it's one of those friendships and those sort of a team that kind of will be part of our life, I think, for the rest of our lives.
They've grown older. Life has moved on, but this hasn't. One day each year, one team, one reason to return. This isn't just a race, it's a ritual, and it's not finished yet.
10 years, still counting. Steam team, BR, thanks you for your support.